Hey guys! Today, it's April 18, 2026. Kakalabas lang natin sa ating hotel and currently it's 10:15 in the morning. Nagpahinga lang tayo guys, bumawi lang tayo ng tulog para may lakas ulit tayo today. O nga pala, nandito tayo sa Ipoh, Malaysia. Dito naman tayo mag-explore, mag-adventure. So walking tour ulit today. Tatry natin na lakarin ulit yung mga malapit na tourist spots dito. At the same time, maghanap na rin tayo ng brunch natin maya-maya. Although kanina, kumain na ako ng biscuit for morning. Pero syempre hindi pa yung breakfast natin kasi for sure kulang na kulang yon. So kailangan natin maghanap ng isang pagkain na mapi-fuel ulit tayo for today's walking. Yun lang, basta update ko na lang kayo guys. Isama ko kayo sa adventure natin for today. See you! So ito yung itsura ng Ipoh sa umaga. It's sunny today. The weather at this time is bearable. We'll just keep on walking. By the way, hindi ko pa rin nasabi sa inyo saan tayo pupunta. So, may isang famous na lane dito sa may Ipoh. It's called Concubine Lane. So, it's just around mga 800 meter walk around mga 5 to 6 minute na walk from my hotel. Nandito na tayo sa Concubine Lane, guys. We're gonna explore this lane. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga nandito sa loob. Tara, let's explore inside. So, may mga binibenta dito ng mga pants. May restaurant din sa loob. May mga pang-kids souvenir items. Ayan, for Kikay Kids, guys. Meron din. May mga strawberries. Cases of mine. May mga bags. Lakad lang tayo guys. Nagpapan na tayo kasi ang init na siya. So may mga ice cream din sila dyan. Actually gelato siya. Ito wala to sa Philippines. Ito ko lang siya nakita yung pinapump nila yung sauces ng fries or chicken. May tanghulo din. Gula kapas. Kapas guys, parang cotton candy sa kapas din sa kanila ang cotton. Siguro itong dami nagbibenta nito yung pocket watch. Bumili pero hindi ako makapili ko ano yung nalabenta. So may photo spot pa dito guys. May pa pala dito sa loob so ikutin muna natin. Ang rustic ng elevator guys. May hidden spot dito guys. May hidden spot na pwede nyo puntahan. Parang shop sa loob. So nagbibenta sila ng mga cutesy items para sa bata. Grabe yung pagka-rustic ng place. Saka yung decoration niya sa background guys, tignan niyo. Ang lakas maka-IG worthy. So dito na tayo kumain guys. Order tayo ng popia dyan. So ito yung mga hindi mong orderin dito sa loob ng mga drinks. So drinks lang pala ito. Nakahanap na tayo nakakain na natin for lunch and breakfast. So brunch na natin to since hindi pa tayo kumakain for breakfast. Kasama na natin breakfast and lunch. So dito ako kumain sa may malapit sa Concubine Lane. In front lang niya actually. Pangalan niya ay Ipoh Kong Heng. Ipoh Kong Heng. So nag-order tayo ng chicken rice, saka original na popia, saka fried popia. Kain tayo guys at i-taste test na natin. Popia. Taste test. This one is the original popia. This one is the fried popia. We'll try the fried popia. Ordered coffee. Cold coffee. So, nag-order tayo ng isa pang food. Chicken rice. According to my research, sikat daw yung chicken rice dito sa Ipo. Try natin. Tapos may sauce lang. Lasang luya, gingery, na may konting spice. Try natin. So, ito yung chicken. Sausaw natin. Gingery nga siya. Masarap. Tapos try natin with rice. Bigyan natin ng konting sauce. Bursting yung flavor niya pag nilagay mo na lahat. Sama yung kanin, yung chicken. Yung chicken, very plain lang yung lasa niya. Yung sauce nga niya, very gingery. Gingery. Basta ma-ginger siya. May kasamang, hindi ko alam kung oil. Kasi parang nararasan ko may oily sa bibig ko. So comment down below guys kung alam niyo yung sauce na to. So ang tawag pala sa pagkain na to is chicken rice. Kain muna ako guys ha. Masjid?
Panglima Quinta.
Panglima Quinta. Panglima is
It's
fifth?
a fighter. It's a fighter.
Ah,
It's a
okay.
warrior.
Okay, okay, okay.
Panglima Quinta is a title given
Uh-huh.
to the chief. Okay. Now this mosque was built in 1898.
1898.
Okay, so 128 years old. This is the oldest brick mosque in Perak. The oldest brick mosque
Brick Mosque, okay.
in Perak. So
In
the
Perak.
brick mosque is the first brick mosque in Perak. Now we local call this Taj Mahal in Malaysia.
Oh, Taj Mahal, Malaysia.
Do you know why?
Because it was built for the wife of...
Correct. You're good. You're listening very well. Correct. It's
Yes.
also built by wife. So Yusuf is built by the wife Sadia. Okay, she died of old age. She didn't die of age. She died of old age. So to show his love for the wife, he built that. So this is the only mosque that we know in Malaysia that was ever built for the wife.
Okay.
Right. So that's why we call it Taj Mahal like in India.
So I put it in.
Yeah. Put it like in. Okay.
Then-
Put it one side. Just push it one side. Okay. Bring it front and roll it down. Just roll it down.
Oh.
That's how we wear it. It's a bit loose, but it's okay. Hold it. Right.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. All right. That's
So pasok na tayo sa loob ng mosque guys.
Time to respect it with more people with the right leg in first.
Okay.
Okay. Most of the malls are very beautiful inside. You see beautiful jars, beautiful design. But ours is simple. Simple why? Okay. The reason why it's simple because when they maintain as what it was 128 years ago. No changes. What you see today is what they see those days. These glasses came from England. In that from England.
Oh, we have also like that in Christian, in Catholics, yeah.
Catholics, yeah, that's what I have. So we have one, but we have a shape of a flower.
Flower, yeah.
So, but the glasses are still from England. The same glasses that you use for the church, same as it. Ours is in the form of flowers. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, so pray. So when you pray together, one family, one direction, one God, one imam.
One
Okay?
imam.
So the question my son asked me, Jack,
Imam is the
leader
or
of the
the priest for
prayer.
us.
Okay. A
Okay.
lot of people say they're priests, but not priests.
Not priest for you.
They're not priests.
Imam.
Yes, they have their leaders, but they're not priests. They are different between
Yes.
imam is a person who control a movement. I could pray without imam if I wanted to. Yes, I could pray without imam. I still could pray. But problem start that pray that way. All want to pray at a different movement. Some will go out, some will go out. To make sure we pray together, the key word is Allahu Akbar. See, I show you very fast how we pray. Okay, Allahu Akbar number 1, Allahu Akbar number 2, Allahu Akbar number 3, Allahu Akbar number 4, Allahu Akbar number 5, Allahu Akbar number 6, Allahu Akbar number 7, Allahu Akbar number 8. So you keep count.
Yes, yes.
So that's why you're very quiet, concentrate, so you move together. That's how the ladies move. Even a blind person can move because when they only have the Allah Akbar. So they move together really well. Alright? So lastly, when you pray together, you pray in one language. When you pray. Arabic.
Arabic.
Language. Okay? When you pray, only Arabic language allowed 3 prayers. No other language allowed. Alright? The pulpit.
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 Pulpit, okay.
Or in Malay, you call it, or Arabic, call it mimbar.
Mimbar.
Okay, this is mirhab.
Mirha.
Mirhab, this is mimbar. Okay, so this together will be. Now, what's so special about this mimbar was built in 1928. Now 26, right? 2 more years going to be 100 years old.
Yes.
But look how shiny and bright it is.
Very clean.
It looks very new.
New,
right?
yeah.
It's already over 100 years old. Why is it so special because of the material? Let's go something more. These are all handmade, not machines. You see all this rough surface here? It's not shoes, it's handmade. It's not machines. Machines are very smooth.
Yes.
These are all handmade. Right? This will make it very special. Right? So it's a very hard wood called kayu chengal. Chengal wood is a very hard wood, also known as an iron wood. So it's very hard like iron. You know cement?
Cement, yes.
You know what color of cement is?
Gray?
Grayish. You see our cement color? White.
White, yeah.
Why is it white? Because it's mixed by eggshells and seashells.
Oh,
Okay, that's so
okay.
special. Okay, it's a mixture between seashell and eggshells. The white, they use egg.
To make
Why
it more
because-
stronger?
Okay. it comes from shell. Shell
Yeah.
is more stronger.
Yeah.
Okay, so that strongest part of this very strong because it comes from shell. Natural. As early as 4 years old, the father start bringing them to the mosque.
Can pray.
As early as 4 years old. But as you grow older, by 10 years old, you be more serious. By 12 years old, yes, you have to be more serious. But your dad will tell you not to play around, stand still and do it together with us. That's what it is. So kids are allowed to come to the mosque. Okay. Let's do one cycle, right? Normally we do morning 2 cycles.
So morning 2
Afternoon,
cycles.
Afternoon we do 4 cycles at 1 o'clock. At 4 o'clock we do 4 cycles.
Si Sir, he toured me around the mosque inside. Sir, thank you so much, sir. I'm from the Philippines and he is from here, from Malay. So, hi, sir. So, nag-tour tayo sa loob nito, guys. Loob ng mosque nila dito. So, nabasa ko lang. Parang welcome visitors. Parang free guided tours for tourists and visitors for Muslim and non-Muslim. So, nagpunta lang ako sa loob. Tapos, wala akong makita dun sa information center. Tapos, nakita ako ni sir. Tapos, he went up to me. Tapos tinanong niya sa akin if I wanted to go inside. So sabi ko, yes, I want to tour inside. Then I asked him kung pwede ako mag-pictures and mag-videos. Very accommodating ni sir. He said yes. So I think this one may not be part of my itinerary for today. Pero this experience is destined to happen today. Grabe lang, Lord. Grabe lang yung pinadaan niyo lang ako dito. Hindi siya part ng itinerary ko. Tapos, pinatuloy niya ako sa isang simbahan, sa isang mosque na hindi naman siya yung religion ko, pero pinatuloy tayo, pinagbigyan tayo, tinuruan tayo, marami tayong natutunan. God is just saying to me na regardless of what religion you are, we unite as one. We are brothers and sisters. Muslim man sila, Catholic man ako. Pero alam mo yun, God made a way to show our respect, to show our love, specifically to share with the faith. Kakaiba man yung beliefs, magkakaiba man yung mga faith natin, pero we are one in God. Thank you lang, Lord, for letting me experience this. Next destination natin, guys, sa may Birch Memorial Clock Tower. Malapit lang siya dun sa Concubine Lane. Around mga 2 minutes na walk. Ito na siya. So, yan lang ipupuntahan natin, guys, na next destination natin. Ayan lang yung Birch Memorial Clock Tower dito sa may Ipo. We're here at Birch Memorial Clock Tower. So, quick lang tayo dito kasi dumaan lang tayo, nag-take lang tayo ng konting pictures. Tapos now, head na tayo dun sa next destination natin, which is Mural Arts. Ang ginagamit ko palang app dito, guys, is Google Maps pa din. Efficient pa rin naman siya. So, lahat naman ng kinikiin ko, nahanap naman ni Google Maps. I suggest Google Maps din yung gamitin nyo dito. Tara na sa next destination natin. So, 12-minute walk lang naman siya. So, let's go! Murong pang-5 Ipo. So, I assume yung pang-5 na yan is 5th. Most of the words kasi dito sa Malaysia, sa bahasa nila, meron din or same or similar dun sa salita natin. Lakad lang tayo. May flying at electric fan po. Tignan nyo, guys, ano ginawa ko dun sa laces ng aking fan saka ng aking camera. Tinabit ko lang siya, guys. Di ba? Para hindi ko sila binubuhat, pwede kong bitawan anytime soon. Tapos nandun yung mic ko nakakabit. Di ba? Para-paraan lang, para makabawas sa binubuhan. So this is the Mural Arts Lane. Bali isang alley siya na puro arts. Although hindi na siya ganun kapasyalan ng mga turista ngayon. Pero since kasama siya sa itinerary natin, so might as well puntahan na din natin para ipakita ko sa inyo. So isang buong alley or lane siya na puro street art ulit. So this one, brotherhood, friendship, kids, family. Pero sana, guys, i-repaint nila Kasi some of the pictures na rin is parang ano ba natin siya sasabihin. Hindi na ganun kaayos like ito. So sana i-repaint nila para ma-preserve naman yung beauty ng lane na to. So ito yung lane guys. Ito maganda pa rin naman. Pero sana lang kahit pa paano i-repaint lang nila para mas gumanda pa. Sayang yung place eh. Ganda siguro nito pag gabi. Free of charge yung entrance dito sa Piraktong Cave Temple. Pero may mga boxes kayong makikita dyan na you can actually donate para dun sa paglilinis saka pag-maintain ng temple. So tara, akyat na tayo guys. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo anong nasa taas. So yan yung ating akyatin guys hanggang sa pinakataas. Ito na ating inaakyat. Let's go! Last leg ng paakyat. But no, hindi pa pala last leg to. Meron pa palang konti. So guys, kalahati pa lang daw tayo. So may half pa. Yan yung ating akyatin. Tuloy lang natin. Challenge natin sa sarili natin. Nandito naman na tayo. We're here already. Why not finish it, right? It's not always that we come here. It's not always that we experience doing this. God is with me. Tara guys, akyat pa tayo. Yan yung view guys. Ayan guys, we reached the top. Reached the top of the cave. Thank you Lord for guiding me. Hingal yarn. Success, we have reached the top of the Tong Cave Temple. Andyan yung God nila. Isasaguro sa God nila. Tapos tingnan yung view ko sa harapan guys. Wow. I think I can see the whole Perak. Di pala Perak, Ipo lang. Patience paid off talaga. If you try to push yourself hard or harder, marireach mo yung top. Wow, quotable quotes yan, besh. Pero tama naman guys. Just strive harder, do your best, and of course, God will do the rest. So wag mo lang susukuan yung mga bagay. Just have to keep on fighting, keep on trying. Para kahit pa paano, you'll never know, di ba? You will never know na you'll be on the top of the world next. So, laban lang guys. Let's keep on fighting. Naman guys, di ba? Pag sinusubukan mo, pag tinatry mo, at magbibigay ka ng attempts, and you keep on pushing yourself hard or harder, ma-reach mo naman yung goals and aspiration mo sa buhay. Hindi naman lahat sa buhay ay madali nating makukuha. Kailangan natin siyang pagsikapan, paghirapan, at the same time, pagtrabahuhan para kahit papano, ma-reach natin yung top ng ating mga goals. So ikaw na nanonood dyan, pag mong susukuan ang buhay. Well, it's easy to say this, pero keep on trying, keep on fighting lang. God is with you. Or Allah is with you, your family is with you, and I am in one with you. So laban lang. Maging careful lang sa pagbaba guys. Kahit sabihin natin mas madali bumaba. Eyes on the stairs palagi. Few reminders lang guys ha. Basta pag umakit sa ganito, tignan nyo yung dinadaanan nyo. It's better to be safe, di ba? Pawis na tayo, pero ilalaban natin to. We're gonna make it through. Napakita ko naman sa inyo guys, yung mga bato na nandito sa kuweba. So may provided naman na resting area. I think per stations, hanggang sa taas na nilagay sila dito na pwede kayo magpahinga. So may mga wall art din dito. So pagbaba guys, may free tea sila na provided. So inom muna tayo ng tea. Isa tayo guys, pero sobrang fun naman na yung umakit. Alam mo yung rich mo dun, tapos
应该吃到完了两
very
个。
satisfying. Inom muna tayo ng free tea nila dito.
阿顧下先，你爬到邊度？我哋江頂啊！
影相啊，
我哋江頂嗰度啦。
到頂嗰度。
So after natin sa Piraklong Cave Temple, naganap lang tayo na pwede natin pagstayan, pwede tayong mag-snack since yung last na kain natin kanina was 11:30. So originally dapat mag-Old Town Coffee ako. Kaso nakita ko yung McDo, so naisip ko na lang na mag-content na lang dito sa McDo. Plano ko kasi after ng McDo, magsa-sunset ako dun sa Taman Recreasi, Gonong lang. Kasi nung sinearch ko dun sa Google, yun daw yung isa sa pinakamagandang sunset place. Alam niyo naman ako guys, mahilig ako sa sunset sa mga places na pinupuntahan ko. So yun, so habang naghihintay dito, sabi ko nag-content na nga ako. Pinakita ko doon, pumili ako ng some of the food na pwede kong kainin as a snack na wala sa McDo Philippines na meron dito sa McDo Malaysia. Ayun. So nang chinek ko rin pala yung sunset dito ay 7:22 PM. So bala ko magstay dito hanggang mga 6:30 bago doon para makapili din tayo ng pwesto natin doon. Pero since umuulan na dito, hindi ko alam kung meron pa ang sunset. Pero sana tumila siya para meron pa rin sunset. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. So yan, lakas ng ulan guys. Ayun, meron pang kulog at kidlat guys.